Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform hard reset for your Voyager 6200 UC using application. You have to start by open the application and now click at these three dots. Then go to the settings and after that click on the reset device. Right here we have clear trusted device list, so click clear and yes. Now open the settings, go to Bluetooth or connected devices, and firstly we should remove these earbuds, so click the information icon or settings icon, forget this device, forget device. Also if you have Android, click pair new device, and now it entered operating mode automatically, so just click on it at the device list. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video, it's really important to us. See you later!